So today's topic is actually you do you have any kind of inclination towards football or cricket, any of the sports?
Yeah, I love to watch cricket. Though nowadays I'm not watching, but I used to be a very uh, passionate lover of cricket match, etc.
Okay, so I think that is going to be interesting. But before that, we have an extempore topic. So I'm going to give you two topics. You can speak on any one topic. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So the first one is social media is making us more antisocial. Okay. And
Okay.
another one is media trials, pros and cons.
Okay.
So which one would you take?
Social media.
Social media is making us more antisocial.
I don't think so. Social media making us more intimate, social. So far, from my perspective, I can say that because I am also using social media, but I have never committed something that which can be termed as antisocial. But there are so many things happening over social media. I can see that if anything happens or anybody uploads any post or videos, so there are so many unkind remarks we can see on the social media. In that way, yeah, they are indulging in some antisocial activities, and in the they find it very convenient. Those who are haters, uh, those anti-social elements, they find it very convenient to express their hate using these medias. They randomly give their comments in the comments box just without any barrier in languages or decent language or anything like that.
So have you started using social media like much more than you used to do before this pandemic?
Yes, social media I'm using much more than earlier. Yeah, but I am using only just one thing, that is YouTube, and that is to just learning for this language, English language. Earlier, I used to visit Facebook and also sending messages, pictures, etc., using WhatsApp also to my various friends. But nowadays, I stop all these things. I hardly visit Facebook. So whatever time I get, I'm just concentrating on learning this language. So I watch YouTube videos where English conversation can be watched, and uh, the inspirational speeches are also there. So I follow all these things.
Okay, okay. So you said now that social media is not that bad. It's just some social elements. But sometimes, have you felt that even the positive news or the news that should be there, the information, makes it a little negative for the people? Because, for example, COVID.
Yes.
So did you also feel negative whenever you used to watch any kind of news related to COVID?
Now, you see, when it comes to COVID, okay, we should know when it comes to make awareness of this disease, how to protect us, and what are the precautions that we should take. So all these things are very, we should take it positively. But what happens, particularly in media, they spread this news very in a very negative sense also. Negative in the sense that there are so many cases of uh, COVID-19 and people are dying. They are showing all this news again and again, again and again, and these dead bodies are piling up like this. So all these things give some negative thing, negative vibe in us. So I just avoid watching those news. Actually, I don't I don't watch because it affects I have found that it affects me. That's why I don't watch.
I agree with you on this. Even I stop watching any kind of such, when there's so much negativity, I stop using social media at all.
Yeah.
Okay. So now coming on to today's topic, which is football or cricket. So obviously you love cricket now, but have you ever followed football also?
Yeah, I followed. Say whenever there is a World Cup, I followed, and I used to follow the games whenever there was any game between Germany or any other team. So I used to support Germany, and that's why I watch and I enjoyed.
So okay, so there was this news few days ago that Messi is not going to play for Barcelona. So that did that make you feel bad?
No, frankly speaking, that I am not following actually. As I told you that whenever there is World Cup football happens every 4 years, once in every 4 years. So that time only I just watch. There are so many other football events are happening like Copa, Euro Cup, but I don't watch. And main thing is that this as per Indian standard time, these football matches are played at midnight, maximum times at midnight.
Yeah.
So I just don't want to disturb my sleeping pattern. That's why this is another cause.
Okay, okay. So, if obviously you love cricket more, you have already told me, but like, what are you? See, I'm not a sports fan. I don't watch either football or cricket. So, you can say I'm just a new one in this. So, have you found any similarities between the two games, cricket and football?
No, it's a quite a defined game between football and cricket are quite different. As football is a 90 minutes game, so you have to spend less time when you watch a football match. But if you are a cricket lover, you have to spend more time while watching cricket matches. And not to speak about these test matches. If you have to watch test matches a full 5 days, so you have to sacrifice other work, important work if you have to see it continuously. So football match is very interesting. The full 90 minutes, it uh, retains your interest in the match, but cricket does not give that much interest the whole time. Say for a few hours, you get the excitement, but not all throughout the match.
Sorry, what was the last thing you said?
I mean to say that while you watch cricket matches, so cricket matches, you don't get the excitement. I mean, throughout the matches, it doesn't happen. Particular few hours that we get to see some excitement in the matches. But in football, the whole 90 minutes full of thrills and excitement is there.
Yeah, like because in cricket, like the last overs matter the most because that will
Mm.
decide, right?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Have you tried playing any of these, cricket or football?
Not in a particular level, but when I was a child or in school, college, so I played just as a hobby, you can say.
Which one of these did you play?
Both football
Both.
and yeah.
Okay, so and also, did you ever consider one of these to be, as that you can take up a profession in sports or anything like that when you were small or when you had not decided your career?
No, I never thought of that because I was not, though I played both these games, but I was not good in playing at all. So I never thought on the line.
So you just
I
played it.
just, yeah, as a fun.
Okay, so even now, I say that you can play, so which one would you prefer to play, cricket or football?
Yeah, definitely cricket. Actually, I like to play cricket.
Okay. So, many people say that cricket, like football, is more popular all over the world than cricket. But just
Yeah,
cricket.
definitely. Yeah.
So, why do you think is that?
That is what I told you. First of all, football is played almost all the countries in the world, but cricket, very few countries play cricket. And this is another factor that I told you earlier, that the time, the time that consumed by the game football is very less in comparison to cricket, and it retains the excitement throughout the game. This is one of the factors.
So, who do you think are more popular, cricket players or football players in India?
If, in India, cricket players are very popular because we have our players who are very good in the international level. So they are very popular.
And what about the world? Who is more popular, cricket players or football players?
All over the world, football. Yes.
So, okay, this was the topic for the day. So I have been observing you, and I can see that you are quite fluent. Like at many places, people get stuck, but you didn't get stuck, and you use the right vocabulary mostly. So I think that's a good thing. Just keep on practicing. So what are you doing other than taking sessions here? Like anything, any kind of reading, watching, or something?
Yes, yes. I am watching uh, movies with subtitles and English movies and series also. Now I'm watching Friends series,
And
and yeah, that is also on the advice of one of our tutors, of Flippingo tutors. They advised me to watch. It will help me, so I'm watching now. And as I told you earlier also that I watch YouTube videos only English conversation and I follow how they speak. And if there are any words or phrases, I note down and I try to practice with the words and phrases.
I would say that your efforts are visible in the way you are having this conversation with me. So, are you actually enjoying Friends, or are you just watching it because one of the speakers suggested it?
Yeah, initially I just started watching, as I told, it will help me learning English, how they speak. But now I have got the interest, so it is no more about English. And now I am watching it till I finish it.
So, how many episodes do you watch every day? Like just one or more than one?
Few days back, what happens? There was lockdown situation, semi-lockdown situation here. So after 2 p.m., we had nothing to do. So I had much time. Nowadays, I don't get much time, but at the time, I used to watch 4 or 5 episodes at a stretch. So now I sometimes two or three I watch.
Yeah, they're very small, like 20 to 20 minutes, hardly one episode.
You
Or
seem to be a lover of Friends, I think.
not lover though, but yeah, I really like that show. That was the last show recently that I watched. So I'm just excited. Like, are you watching it out of interest? Because I have not seen any of, we can say, I can say, like, not our generation people, not teenagers watching it. So I was just excited to know whether you're getting interested in that. The concept is likable to your interest or not. That is what I wanted to know. So yeah.
I'm just watching and like it. Okay, there are so many episodes that is very hilarious. So I laugh a lot. Yeah, good.
Which is your favorite character?
My favorite character, Ross and Rachel both. I like both of them, Ross and Rachel.
How many seasons have you watched up until now?
I don't know the season. I did not see, but I can say you that today I watched that this Monica and Chandler got married.
Okay, so I think I have watched 7 seasons.
Maybe.
Yeah, there are three more, and then this show will be over.
Oh, is it? Oh, I'm near completion.
There's still 3 seasons, and those are also very interesting. But yeah, okay. So yeah, it was nice talking to you. Time's up, and I really enjoyed our conversation. I got to know a lot of things about cricket and football that I obviously didn't know. So it was a nice session. Thank you.
Yeah, same here. By the way, where are you from?
I'm from Haryana.
Haryana.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. So are you student?
yeah. Like I have completed my graduation, looking for higher studies.
Okay, okay. Nice.
Thank you. Good night.
Okay, bye. Good night.